In this session we shall see the processing of drawing file and 3D data. As the main screen opens, use File menu to select Set Working Folder. Next, select Folder Work located on the desktop. Next, select Menu Item File, then New Workspace Design and then New/Open Survey Application. Processing of drawing file in 3D. The survey plan drawing is made in 3D and the processing is done to extract the layer-wise XYZ data of various features of the drawing. The data is saved as text data in total station format. And created model with string labels taking from the layer names by saving in the model files. As the workspace opens, the tab is selected as Drawing File in 3D, the current selected tab is Create Project. For processing user's data, user needs to click on button New Project, with the project name say, Job Number 1. The project folder will be created inside the working folder as Work, Survey Applications, Survey with 3D Drawing Data, Design Job Number 1, and next user will be asked to select the user's 3D survey drawing file. After selecting, a copy of the survey drawing file will be brought into project folder Survey with Drawing File to process. Select and open a 3D survey drawing file. Click on button Open Tutorial Example Data. As the message comes, click on button OK. The project folder will be created inside the working folder as Work, Survey Applications, Survey with 3D Drawing Data, Tutorial Survey with Drawing File. A copy of the file survey.dwg will be brought from Application folder to Project folder. Design Job Number 1 to process. Ground Modeling. Tab Survey Data is now selected. Under this tab another tab Ground Modeling is opened. No check mark is put for option UTM, Universal Transverse Markator, for data conversion. Click on button Create Ground Model. The message comes. Click on button OK. Click left mouse button at diagonally opposite corners of the survey drawing. Next, click the right mouse button to complete the selection of the entire drawing. The model with string labels taking from the layer names of the drawing is created and saved in the model files. The message comes. Click on button OK. The data in the total station survey data file must be made available in the following format and saved as a text file, for example survey.txt, which can be opened in Notepad. It has 5 columns of data. When a data record with serial no. 0 is met, as after serial number 5, then it discontinues the last feature and reads a new feature, from serial number 1, in the ground model. Triangulation. Select tab Triangulation. Select all the survey features by clicking on button Select All. Next, click on button Create Triangulation Model. The dialog box comes to start the process. Click on button Proceed to process for triangulation. As the process is over, the message comes. Click on button OK. The files hds001.fill, hds000.fill and contour.fill are created in the project folder. Contours. Select tab Contour. The model name, string label, and increments for primary, secondary and text are set with default names and values. If the ground is of flat nature, then user has to reduce the primary contour increment as 0.5 or 0.1 to get contours for the relatively flat ground. The secondary contour increment is always 5 times of increment of the primary contours. Texts for contour elevations are displayed on the secondary contours. Click on button Create Contour Model. The dialog box comes to start the process. Click on button Run. As the contour window opens, primary C001, secondary C005 and elevation text ELEV strings under model contour are created. Click on button Save, located at the top bar. Next, we are back to the workspace once again. Click on button Draw Contour Model, to draw the contour model and the contours are displayed. By clicking button for zoom in, an enlarged view of the contours over the ground model may be displayed. This is the end of the session for processing of total station survey data by creating UTM conversion, ground model, triangulation to create digital terrain model, DTM, and contours.